This week in the BAS disassembly hangar, we have a whole new crop of aircraft going through the disassembly process. Now, if you like our videos, make sure you like and subscribe. In the BAS disassembly hangar this week, we have a Cessna 182M. Now, this Skylane suffered a nose gear problem on landing, which leads it to our disassembly shop. Even though the front end took some damage, we're still going to get a laundry list of good things from this 182M. The Continental 0470S engine, a Garmin GTX 327, mid-continent turn coordinator, the right and left hand control wheels, the nose gear fork, the upper and lower nose gear support and torque links, wheels and brakes, the main gear springs, the baggage door, almost everything in the interior, upper and lower cowling, the vertical, the rudder. We're going to get so many 182 parts from this unit that I can't even list them all. If you're in need, get in touch quickly. We have a Piper PA-28-140 Cherokee in the BAS disassembly shop this week. This airplane will yield a very nice list of Piper Cherokee parts and components that we will have available very soon. If you have a need, get in touch quickly. We'll recover the Lycoming 0320 E3D engine, right and left hand control wheels, a Stratus ESG, rudder control pedals and bar. We'll recover cabin doors, the rudder, the vertical, LED tail strobe, spinner and bulkhead, the upper cowling, almost all of the interior components such as seats and plastics and carpets, plus the right hand wingtip, aileron, and the right hand main gear components. If you're in need of Cherokee parts, BAS Part Sales is your headquarters. Call us fast. This week in the disassembly shop, we also have a Cessna 340A. Now, we don't see too many of these airplanes in the shop, but this is a nice one. It did suffer a hard landing, and that did cause some damage, sending it to our disassembly hangar. However, we're going to get lots of goodies from this 340A. It's got a Garmin GNS 530W. It's also got a Garmin GNS 430W. It's got a Garmin GTX 330, a PS Engineering PMA8000G autopilot, a JPI EDM 760. We have two, count them two, Continental TSIO-520-N engines with lots of accessory and turbo components available. Lots of landing gear, both nose and main gear assemblies, parts, components will be available from this 340, as well as the elevator, the horizontal stabilizer, the rudder, the vertical, the spinner dome, and all of the interior components. Let us know if you're in need.